time for some board therapy.
Can you hold a little down pressure on that?
A little.
Push. Whew.
She can't.
Come down a lot.
Yeah, it did.
It's hung up right here.
Yeah. Yep. There you go. Yeah.